Now I know you guys can't really see nothing that good right now, and it's early. It's a little after 5 here. I just wanted to let you hear this beautiful sound before I go lay down. I'm usually in bed at night. Just, I had a lot going on last night, a lot to get done, and so I'll probably end up sleeping until about noon today, but just listen at the beautiful sound of these birds. You can actually see right there the light starting to come in with the trees. It's really pretty. Beautiful, isn't it, guys? And I'm not showing my face right now because I probably look like crap. Like I said, I've been up all night, so, you know. Anyways, you guys have a good morning. I will be back later on. Just wanted to give you the beautiful sound of the birds, and you can sort of probably see the trees and stuff. There's enough light, I believe, yeah. So, anyways, love all you guys. And let's all just pray that Grandpa gets to come home today and that everything works out for him. His heart test that they did and all that, I've not heard nothing else about that. So if I hear anything before you guys do, obviously, you know, I don't mind doing videos about it. And I do videos about different things. I'm actually going to do a video about my thoughts about McJugger Nuggets. If you guys want to hear my thoughts about him. So, anyways, nothing bad, just, you know, my thoughts about different YouTubers and stuff. So, anyways, I'm out of here, guys. I'm holding it up like that because I don't want to play it right at the neighbor's house or nothing. So, anyways, guys, I love all you guys. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later on, probably around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. You'll start seeing more videos coming in. So, I'll talk to you a little bit later on.